Halloween is approaching in about 3 months, so it is a good time to start planning and uploading designs to Amazon. I'm going to share some Halloween niches that are popular every year. This is my human costume. I am really a. This is a good and easy design that you see sell well every year. This is a scalable design, meaning that you can keep the first part of the phrase and replace the last word only to make many designs fast and easy. Here you can replace beaver with any animal, profession, or anything that can be a costume. Here it is zombie. You can also be creative and change the last part of the phrase. Adding a graphic could help. Here they added a wolf. Here it is an alien. Pretend I'm a. This is also a scaled design where you can replace the last word with just about any person or object. You want to stay away from trademark characters. For these scaled designs, text only is the route for the easiest and fastest amount of designs in the shortest amount of time. This is illustrated in this Pretend I'm a Dalmatian design. You could select the colors of the shirt to match the object, like in this plant example. This pretzel example only comes in brown. I would do it this way if it makes sense. This is a cactus design with a graphic. Like the previous niche, and as a general rule, when selling shirts on Amazon, adding a graphic helps to stand out amongst the many text-only designs. Matching shirts. There are many opportunities to make matching designs for couples to wear on Halloween. He's My Treat with an arrow pointing is one example you will see sell every year. You can do She's My Treat for a male to buy. Some other examples are I Am with the Witch. You could switch out witch with many other things like flamingo and angel. You want to stand out with unique Halloween fonts for the text and creative graphics for the arrow in order to stand out from the competition. Costume style. Costume style designs are big sellers for Halloween. Like in this tiger design, the graphics are large and take up most of the shirt to resemble some kind of animal or uniform. Here is a penguin. These are convenient for anyone who wants to buy a t-shirt to pair with something else for a last-minute costume. Here we see a clown, a doctor, a prince. It does not need to have a graphic like this police U.S. Deputy Marshal costume shirt. If you can find a niche that has not been done and you can upload a design with good graphics, you could potentially get some good sales. Boo. Boo is another niche that sells really well. This design is really simple and sells great with 598 reviews. You can use the word alone or use it inside another word like with this design, I am just here for the booze. This is for a book lover. This is Boo Sheet. For all of the designs you see, you always want to double check the trademark. Dabbing. Dabbing always sells for Halloween and most holidays. To stand out with dabbing designs, you need to cross niche and probably with more than 2 niches, like this dabbing skeleton design that is combined with baseball. The artwork needs to be decent to compare with other dabbing designs. It doesn't have to be a skeleton dabbing, it can also be an alien or any other character associated with Halloween. Political. Political shirts also sell good when cross-niched with most holidays, including Halloween. Here are some Biden Halloween shirts. This is a Trump costume-style design with the suit and red tie. Here's one about political parties. Don't violate the content policy. Don't do designs that resemble any brand or infringe on any trademark. These are niches you always see selling for Halloween, but you should stay away from them, like this design that resembles an M&M. This one infringes on Crayola crayons. This one is a Pac-Man design. This one is a Taco Bell sauce packet. This one a Heinz mustard bottle. And this one is from the horror movie Scream. They are still up on Amazon and currently selling, but they are risky designs that could be removed at any moment and possibly lead to a termination of your account. As a general rule, you should start designing for holidays about 3 months ahead, so it is time to get started on these Halloween designs. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and please like and subscribe for more Amazon merch and t-shirt content. Thank you for watching.